There is no secret about the presence and power of a website building solution like WordPress is on the web, from blogs and websites to online stores worldwide. But what if there could be another platform that provides similar functionalities and has an even broader scope of features for your website? Well, that's the kind of software that we will present to you next. In today's video, we will show you 6 reasons why choose a no-code tool like Webflow over WordPress as the ideal website builder platform for your company. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. With over 43% of websites worldwide, it's no surprise WordPress has gained its place as one of the most popular website builders available on the market. Nevertheless, Webflow is here to open its way by providing outstanding services for your digital products, stores, and sites. And currently having 3.5 million users can tell you Webflow is a serious competition. Let's see 6 reasons why you should consider Webflow over WordPress. With Webflow, you can create a better site without using limiting themes or manually altering PHP to customize the style of your site. You can also design using the power of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With the Webflow Designer, you will be able to construct your complete site in a visual canvas with a familiar degree of control and flexibility. Additionally, you can use Webflow's powerful design tools to create bespoke interactions and animations to bring your site to life. Plus, a visual content management system will allow you to develop content-driven layouts. Webflow allows you to push the boundaries of web design and create one-of-a-kind commerce experiences for your customers without using WooCommerce or WordPress plugins. You can create SSL-secured, scalable marketing websites, single-site pages, blogs, prototypes, and internal websites. In addition, instead of using drag-and-drop page builders like Elementor, you can scale your web presence by constructing landing pages programmatically. You can effortlessly publish your site to Webflow's integrated global hosting network, and forget about continuing upgrades, plugin fixes, security patches, and developer upkeep. There's no need to upgrade your software or handle out-of-date plugins with Webflow. This means spending less time on DevOps. In addition, you won't need to worry about security upgrades or plugin maintenance. As a result, your site will be considerably less likely to be pulled down. Did you see how easy it is to have all the tools available to build great business websites? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Webflow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see 3 more reasons to change from WordPress to Webflow. Webflow is SEO friendly, allowing you to optimize the settings of your website with fine-tuned controls, high-performance hosting, and customizable content management tools without the use of any additional plugins. Besides, the OS-powered hosting stack ensures that your site runs smoothly, pleasing site visitors and search engines. Besides, all websites are powered by clean, semantic HTML and CSS that is easy for search engine crawlers to interpret. You will have a CMS that allows everyone to create on-brand designs with flexible content that would enable marketing teams to develop a library with simple editing tools. In addition, with custom fields built directly in, you will be able to make any data types your site requires without the need for plugins. You can also add new material and publish site updates using Webflow's user-friendly editor. Using Webflow's CMS API will help you pull content from external data sources, connect to an existing CMS, and publish to a mobile app. Webflow has built-in integrations, which will help you connect your website to crucial marketing tools. You will be able to utilize any of Zapier's 750 integrations with Webflow to capture leads, collect feedback, and connect your forms to services such as Marketo, HubSpot, Google Sheets, Slack, and Airtable. Finally, using the flexible custom code choices, you can add your marketing snippets and tools to an individual element, embed page, or the entire site for hyper-specific trackings, such as button clicks. Start building websites for your business using Webflow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.